Hello everyone. So today we will be praying for patients that have been suffering from cough. Some coughs has been there longer than required. They have taken everything that they think of, everything prescribed for them, everything, name it. Antibiotics, cough syrup, ginger, garlic. So many people have taken it. Lemon, honey, they have. But the cough resists to go away. So let's remind them in prayers. Remember, just 1 minute. They are suffering from it. There are people that cannot talk in a minute without coughing and coughing and coughing. And lots of too much coughing gives headache, hurts the heart, hurts the chest, if you know what I mean. So let's pray for our patients.